16th fucking edition of Rams. Unbelievable. I mean, 16th edition, 16 golfers. What a coincidence.
Wow.
You think?
Good line, good line, good line.
Yeah, it was planned.
Very good, very good. You think coincidence?
Very good.
Right. What started off as a simple golfing trip that we used to anyways do quite a lot during those days, never really overnight. This one started as of an overnighter, and then we said, then Rahul goes and buys this one extremely cheap trophy that he could get his
It
hands.
was the only one.
The only trophy earlier. And then brings it, and then that's how the tradition started. And we said we should do this once a year. All started off based pretty much Singapore, and then it went off to India. And then once India came in, and then there was just friends and friends and friends who just kept on coming in. But yeah, I mean it keeps on getting better and better. If not Rams itself, but at least the stories keep on getting better. And I suppose that's what it's all about, right? Because one time of a year, all of us are here with no excuses. Right? We don't say, okay, we actually, I feel that when I'm in Rams, we are out of real life. And everyone looks forward to this once a year, we get out of our real lives and we leave them behind. We take our time and we get here. And that's what makes Rams. Rams is all about. I'm not going to keep this too long. You guys have fun. Tomorrow's logistics, we are leaving at 8:30 from here. So everybody needs to come here and we leave from here. Our bags are already here. There are a lot of people here who don't really read messages.
Now the chairman is talking.
We are a complete democracy.
यहाँ एक ही आदमी है जो मैसेज नहीं पढ़ता है। एक ही आदमी है। वो कौन है? वो कौन? उधर बैठा हुआ है उधर।
Rohit has gracefully and graciously got us T-shirts of one of the companies that he's on the board of, Unirec. Your T-shirts are there with your names on it. We are going to please take them with you tomorrow. Three logistics, guys. Try and keep cold tomorrow. It is quite hot. Pani piyo solid. Red Bull mat peena chutiyon ki tarah aur daru mat peena. Except of course we will.
SN Badri
के अलावा और SN Badri के साथ जो भी है उसको प्लीज पानी पिलाते रहना वालों को. उसको your duty is to give him water.
SN Badri के साथ
बिना सोए आ रहा है.
बहुत सोच समझ के 3 राक्षस डाले हैं.
Rules.
अजय घरबंदा, अनुपम महाजन and Rishi Bulbul.
Well done. You want to rake the bunker? Your ball is in a footprint. You have to rake the bunker. Pick up, rake and put it back in. And within a shaft length of your putter, make sure you ask before you take that green. Everybody in your group, there is one person who knows the rules. Everyone downloaded online golf.
No one said to
download?
कोई पढ़ता नहीं है, कोई सुनता नहीं है, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे correct swing से शुरू कर. Start the swing.
यार न्यू कमर्स का रेडी हो रहा है.
Start the swing. वो अगले साल होगा.
ये वापिस जाके मोदी जी से कंप्लेन करने वाला.
पहला सवाल आपका फोन इतना नया क्यों है? नहीं
Okay, my introduction to golf is Loy. Because
लॉय पीछे नहीं आगे बैठा
a few years back, we happened to be in Jakarta and in the hospitality of Anuj. And that's the time I felt that it's a great sports. You get to meet, get work. So I started learning golf, and I'm happy that I'm with you, all of you here. And great people. I really enjoy being here. And
20 years ago is when I started golf. I used to play other sports. I primarily wanted to become a sportsman as I was growing up, but someone was like, so played cricket, played badminton, almost at a national level. But golf.
The Deepika Padukone.
If you're part of that, so then golf team, all of us, I guess. So it was Deep Ram.
Oh, you're Ram from the Rams group.
I said, no, it's not named after me. But yeah, last year when I came here, I was absolutely delighted to be a part of this group and continue. So very happy to be here again.
अब है कौन?
मैं हूँ राहुल वेल्डे।
राहुल वेल्डे, एक सेकंड।
अभी दो
मैं तुझे सिंह है इसके में, तो सिंह लिख दे दो। सिंह इज किंग। ये डबल सिंह है।
2 दिन में इतने सारे निकनेम हो गए, अभी पता नहीं 4 दिन में और कितने आएंगे, है ना?
Best nickname is Weldon Welde.
For me, this is
फेवरेट में और हम लोग बोलते हैं Weldon.
इसके शूज आर 6 स्क्वायर।
अब इसको बोलने दो थोड़ा सा।
हाँ बोलने दो यार.
ये थोड़ा कहानी अंडर प्रॉमिस एंड ओवर डिलीवर वाला हो गया है, बिकॉज वो अनुज ने बोला था गोल्फ की कोई कंपटीशन है उसमें आएंगे, थोड़ा मस्ती करेंगे, बट दिस इज एट द मोमेंट ऑलरेडी एक्सीडेड एक्सपेक्टेशंस.
Awesome.
I'm absolutely thrilled to be here, guys. So really,
Well done, well done.
This company is a company that I've invested in and I'm on the board. All the clothes that they make is out of recycled plastic. This t-shirt is recycled plastic bottle. क्या बात है?
पानी डाल के पी सकते हैं।
Start with your handicap that Martin gave you yesterday.
148.
हाँ. Handicap.
लवली एक फोटो ले।
यार मनप्रीत.
तेरा नाम हमने लिखा है लोई की लोई।
यार that's a big respectful video. सुनो यार.
I live in US. I have twin boys. We're empty nesters. So I was trying to find a hobby. He's been after my life कि golf खेल. He's like तेरे को क्या करूँ convince करने के लिए. That's when he said चल एक बार go meet the gang and then maybe that will push you to. Now I'm really excited. पहली बार खेला अभी आके मैंने. Literally first time on the course. Day before yesterday. So totally a golf virgin, but looking forward to.
Same like me.
One of the famous politicians, Indian politicians, who was a very senior minister, she says अगर मेरी एक टांग जम्मू में है और दूसरी टांग केरला में है, ऐसे काम वो बीच में से बोला फिर तो मध्य प्रदेश वालों की बहुत